Level 2 is learning, and level 2 we measure or we identify or we determine that did the trainee learn. So mainly learning can be related to a course or a curriculum, or it may be related to a skill. So we can say that is knowledge of theory or fundamental principles, and skill may be related to technical skills, or it may be related to applied or application. So basically training is related to learning, a course, a curriculum, or it may be related to a skill. So after conducting the training program, the next level is about identifying or measuring the level of learning, that whether trainees learn during the training program or not. So how to measure the learning, or how to identify whether the trainees have gained sufficient skill during the training program. So we can do this through a test or a quiz at the end of the program. So basically at level 1 we identify or we measure the perception through survey, while in level 2 learning we are identifying or measuring the learning through a test or a quiz. There can be different types of, we can use several tests for measuring learning. We can also use the work sample or simulation. Work sample is actually a portion of the work, and we can take a test of an individual by conducting or administering test on actual portion of a certain work. And next one is the simulation. Simulation is identical or it may be similar to the actual work environment. So mostly organizations, they are conducting the work sample and simulation test, and sometimes organization can also conduct the written test. So it depends upon the nature and type of training, that what type of test would be required for measuring the level of learning after conducting a training program. ठीक है जी, इसमें कोई